Just a little reminder to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video valuable. Everyone remember this movie, Bright Light, Bright Light? You don't want to be a gremlin. So we're going to show you how to get your lights to turn to 20% using the Lutron cassette dimming switch between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m. So pretty useful. Let's take a look. So we've got the Lutron cassette dimmer switch, and we've got the fan control in here as well. And when we turn that on, you can see then it's going to go back down to that 20% and get a lot dimmer. So what's nice about this is you can still, as soon as you want to, you can go back to the light switch and you can turn it on to the brighter mode just by pressing it again. There you go. See, we've got full 100% brightness coming from those lights. And if we want, we can turn it off. So we've still got control of the light switch, which is nice. The only issue I've had with this is it goes all the way to 100% and then automatically dims back to that 20%. So that's one thing to watch. Let's see how we set it up. So I'm setting this up in the third-party home app. Again, I will put a link in the video details below. No, he doesn't pay me for this. I just love the app. So here we have an automation called Master Bathroom Night Light, because that's kind of descriptive. That's what I want to do, is create a night light effect at night. So right now we've got this set up. I use this for testing during the day because I don't want to wait at night. So we're going to go in and we're going to add the time of day condition here. So you can see here we can say specific times during the day, night, right? So I'm going to say from 11 p.m. to, let's say, 5 a.m., I think is what we said, and click on the save button. So you can see here, this is pretty simple. When the power state turns on between 11 to 5, then we're going to do the actions of we're going to turn the power state on and modify the brightness to 20%. And this is why it takes a couple seconds, because it's got to register the fact that it actually turned on. So it is pretty fast. You might get a little bit of a, might need to close your eyes for that split second, but it will come back down. And when we go back over to the Apple native home app, you can see here exactly what it's doing. You can see that it turns on to 20%. That's it. Pretty simple. So it's a cool little trick to be able to just make sure that your bathroom doesn't blind you at night. This can be applied in other places, and we'll look at those in the future. And with that, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. The thumbs up, that like button right below, click on that if this was helpful to you at all. And if you want to learn how to make your house just a little bit smarter with Apple HomeKit, please check out the links. There is a link to the Udemy course there. I would love it if you guys would check that out. And if you see some value in it, sign up. Thanks.